Hey foodies, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to be making my double chocolate chip cookie, and I'll be using all of the lessons that I learned from the previous video. So now let's go over the ingredients. We're going to be using some Mr. Beast chocolate, some chocolate chip. We're also going to be using some cocoa, some sugar, some all-purpose flour. We're going to whip up all of that. So the last time I used some toasted butter, but this time I'm using melted butter. I melted in the microwave, and I'm adding the brown sugar and the white sugar because the sugar is going to make it chewy. But the last time when I used the brown sugar was a little bit different, so I add both of them. So now I'm adding 1 egg and an egg yolk. I'm going to be whisking everything, make sure it's nice and combined. Then we're adding in the vanilla. This is the vanilla extract. We're also going to be adding in some salt. We're also going to be combining everything. So now that we have that nice and combined, we're going to be adding in our dry ingredients. So I want to start off by adding the flour, and that's 1/4 cup of flour. Now we're going to be adding in some baking powder. We're also going to be adding in some cocoa powder. We're going to combine this, and you don't want to over mix the dough. We just want to let it for about 2 minutes, and then I'm going to be stirring in the chocolate chips. So we're gonna add the chocolate chips cookies first. So the last time when I made this recipe, I placed it in the fridge to cool off for about an hour. But this time I'm gonna be doing it a little bit different. I'm gonna be crumbling my chocolate, and you can use the chocolate that you have. I'm gonna be combining it. I'm not gonna put it in the freezer to chill, and I'm just gonna be scooping these out. Maybe about 2 tablespoons each. I got maybe 12 cookies from this batch. And I'm going to be baking it at 365 degrees Fahrenheit for about 50 minutes or until the bottoms become golden brown. So I'm going to be popping this in the oven, and then you guys can see how this looks. So this is the end result. It was a very easy recipe to make. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. Recipe down below.